Righto guys, it's Foxy here. As you can see, I've installed the pre-filter for the MN. You had to just push this tab in here and this tab in here into the bracket. That clicks in for the float sensor. This is just bolts on top of the old bracket, and then basically, instead of this 12mm line going straight to here, it now goes into this pre-filter and then out and then connects back up. So basically just adding in a secondary filter before the main filter. So all in all, a couple of bolts there, a couple of bolts here, a bolt down there. You've got to bolt up the old solenoid to there. Comes a couple of 6mm bolts. Got to connect two hoses there to there. All in all, on the scale of pineapples, I'll give it 5 pineapples have been an absolute pain in the arse. Done the thread sealing. Yeah, put the blanks in that side. We'll see how it goes. But I would have much preferred the filter to be here rather than here. I recommend disconnecting the battery when you're doing this, even though I sort of winged it. But yeah, so that's how it sits at the moment. You've still got a bit of room here to chuck some gadgets and whatever you like. But yeah, it sort of got a bit dark and probably not the best footage, but it helps. So the parts that came out of the car were the old bracket, a couple of bolts, the old hose, and a couple of old press fitting clamps. I used a 7mm flathead, a couple of shifters, a 15mm. I used 12mm small screw bit, pair of pliers. I also used a couple of extensions. That's 8mm, 9, 10, 12, a 10, and a 13. Few rags. Yeah, so basically now we've got the catch can all mounted up, and yeah, you wouldn't even know that wasn't factory made, I'm telling you. It looks exactly like factory. So we're going to see how that goes, and then this looks a bit how's it going, but I reckon most people have been none the wiser. So come around here and yeah, it kind of looks factory from here. It's a bit hard to check the bowl, but you can get there, and yeah, it says you're supposed to drain it out every now and then, but it all depends if you got water in it, I suppose. Alright. Well, that's the install for the MN Triton pre-diesel filter by Western Filters, and what was it? Something direct. Yeah, I'll probably try the flash lube kit next time, mate, if I ever got the MN Triton, but you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, catch ya.